Alright, Chef Joe here with Healthy Kids Inc. and we're going to be doing an orange marmalade glazed grilled chicken. Now we're also going to do it with some steamed half-runner green beans fresh out of the garden. So first things first, we want to season it up just a little bit before we transfer them to the grill. A little fresh cracked black pepper, a little bit of salt. Alright, I'm going to take some of our orange marmalade. Okay. You want to spread this out with your spoon. Make sure you really get this coated all the way around the chicken. Spread it around on the other side. And a little of this is going to go a long way, so if you put enough on the first side, you should be able to get enough to still put on the second side as well. Alright, so these have the marmalade on them now, and we're ready to throw them on the grill. I'll show you the finished product in just a few minutes.